This video goes over how to create a website visitor audience list in Google Ads. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free videos. For this video, start at ads.google.com. From here, you want to go to Tools, and under Shared Library, click Audience Manager. You should be on the Your Data Segments section. Next, click this plus and click Website Visitors. From here, you can name your segment. So for this example, I will make a website list based on people who've only visited my social media marketing page on my website. So I'll name it Social Media Website Page Visitors. Now you have the option of visitors of web pages, which is what we're going to do, or visitors of a page with specific tags. So if you had a specific conversion tracking code, for example, on a page, that's what you would click. But for this video, we are doing visitors of web pages. Next, select how long you want the people on your list to be. So if they visited 31 days ago, they will not be on this audience list. You can change it, so I could do up to 90 days, for example. Next, click Refine Action. Page URL contains, and you want to type in the specific URL string for the page of website visitors. So if you sell books and you want to target everyone who's looked at books on your website, you would do that string. I'm doing social media marketing, so I only have one page on my website that has the word social in it, so I could just put social. If you have more than one section, that would be under social media, and you want to target everyone who's visited every social media page on your website, you would type in social. But if you want only one, you would do, for example, social-media/marketing. It depends on what your website URL is. So for example, if you have a finance section on your website and the tab is finance, and then underneath that you have payment calculator, credit application, for example, and they all start with finance/credit application, for example, you would type in finance to target people who visited all three of those pages. If you only want to target people who visited the credit app, for example, then you would not put finance, you would put credit-application or whatever your URL string is. So after you have that all set up, you can go through the other options to see what they are and if you'd like to add any more. And then you just click Create Segment. And then here's your audience list, and you can add it to your display campaigns and target those people who have visited those pages with your ads. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.